Welcome back to Ride and Roar, your ultimate destination for automotive marvels. Today, we're diving into the realm of innovative and affordable SUVs to reveal a gem from the East. Get ready to witness the FAW Senia R7. Meet the FAW Senia R7, a compact SUV that embodies practicality, style, and a host of modern features, all at an attractive price point. Introduced in 2016, the Senia R7 marked a bold new direction for FAW. With its eye-catching design and advanced technology, this SUV quickly caught the attention of car enthusiasts around the world. The R7 captivates with its unique grille, sleek lines, and dynamic LED taillights, making a bold statement on the road. Step inside, and you'll find an equally appealing cabin. The high-tech dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, and spacious seats all contribute to an enjoyable driving experience. Powering the R7 is a 1.6-liter engine that delivers impressive performance while maintaining great fuel efficiency. When it comes to handling, the Senia R7 does not disappoint. It's nimble and responsive, ensuring a confident and comfortable ride. And let's not forget about safety. The R7 comes packed with advanced safety features like a rear-view camera and parking sensors. Providing peace of mind for every journey. So there you have it, the FAW Senia R7. A compact SUV that strikes a perfect balance between affordability, style, and modern technology. That's it for today's episode of Ride and Roar. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Senia R7, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, embrace the thrill of the ride and roar of the engine.